All are fit and fine at your home. So today we are going to learn geography, our first chapter, the earth and our solar system. Today we are going to an activity and then we are going to learn parallels of gratitude. Use figure 1.4 for the following. In the upper portion of the circle, at the center X, draw angles of 20 degree. V1x K1 and V2x K2. K1 and K2 being the points on the circle, draw an ellipse joining K1 and K2. In the lower half of the circle, mark angles of 60 degree and name the points on the circles as P1 and P2. Draw an ellipse joining P1 and P2. Students, you need to follow the instructions I draw the figure. In this figure, circle is given. The circle is divided equally with the plane of equator, that is V1 and V2, and X as the center of the circle. First, draw a line from the point of surface of the earth, that is K1, that forms 20 degree at the center of the earth, and same line from the other side of the circle, that is V2x K2. Now K1 and K2 are the points on the circle. Draw a ellipse that joins K1 and K2. Now in the lower half of the circle, form an angle of 60 degree as above. And name the points on the circle as P1 and P2. Now join these points by drawing an ellipse. Now students, we are going to study the parallels of latitude. If you want to understand the parallels of latitude, we must understand the activity we have done just now. So, I would like to mention the activity here. I would like to tell you about the activity here in short. So, listen it carefully. In the early activity, you must have understood that the ellipse means oval circle, drawn by joining the 20 degree points is largest than the ellipse that joins the 60 degree points, and distances x K1 I and x P2 are the same. The reason behind it is we are dealing with a sphere. The degrees of parallels are measured as the equator as shown in the figure. So the equator is considered as 0 degree parallel. It is the largest parallel and a great circle. The angular distance of the parallels toward the north and south goes on increasing away. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Bye bye.